guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm Leia and I'm so excited that you guys are here with me. Today I wanted to be doing some TikTok trends and turn this boring sweatsuit that I got from Walmart today into a cool tie-dye thing that I've been seeing literally all of quarantine. So since we're all literally stuck in quarantine, why are we getting out of our pajamas? Why are we getting out of our sweats? You're literally chilling on the couch if you're not chilling in bed. And if you're not on the couch, you're in bed. So be comfortable. I wanted to do one of those TikTok trends and turn this little outfit into a cool tie-dye set. I know I'm a bit late, but I've seen it, I've tried it, I know what works and I know what doesn't work, and I want to share it with you. I have been trying to bleach things and tie-dye things for a while. I literally completely ruined a pair of jeans that I had. So anyway, we're gonna get to it today and I'm gonna show you everything that you need. First things first, we gotta get to Walmart and get ourselves one of these boring old sweatsuits so that we can maybe ruin it, but potentially make it look really good. So let's go. So we're here at Walmart looking for a sweatsuit because I've heard from a lot of people this is where you could go, and I tried Target. There wasn't anything, so we're gonna be looking around for a sweatsuit right now. Oh my god. They have a lot of clothes here. So wish me luck. Help! Help! Okay, we're going to the men's section because that's probably where we will find more things. It would appear Walmart has no employees because we can't find anyone. So that's super helpful. I feel like maybe down. Oh, look, sweatpants. Sweatpants. Huh? Jackpot. This is what we wanted, baby. I fell. The fruit of the loom sweatpants with the scrunchy thing. Here we go. And look at this. $6.94. So if we mess up, it's only $6.94. So we're going to another Walmart because they only had XXXXXXXXXL. Hopefully we find it at this Walmart. Oh, let's go. Let's see if we have something now. I have a good feeling. Found some shorts because they don't have sweatpants. I guess everyone's doing the trend. So it's super simple to do this. All that you need is a set you don't really care about, some bleach, some rubber bands, and a place to put it all. Let's get started, baby. So I found that this bleach is probably the best to use. It literally already comes in a spray bottle, so how much easier could it get? And I guess it's diluted so it doesn't completely ruin your clothes. Like, it'll take the color out, but it's not gonna make it rip apart like my jeans and the actual bleach. So getting some kind of cleaning product like this, also toilet bowl cleaner, like a Clorox bleach toilet bowl thing, that's also useful, and you could just squirt it onto your clothes. But I really like this one. I've gotten the best results using a Lysol bleach spray multi-purpose cleaner thing. So we definitely want to start by completely wetting all of the items that we're going to be bleaching. I guess this helps the bleach get to all of the parts of the clothes easier. Next, we're going to put a bunch of rubber bands on it. No, I'm kidding. We're actually going to tie it up. So I tied them up a lot for the shorts. I literally just did random rubber bands in random places. And for the sweater, I did the basic twirly thing that everyone sees when you pinch in the middle and you twist. And I'm in my shower now, so we don't get my whole house bleached. We're just gonna spray. So you can already see the bleach working, especially on the sweater. I definitely put a lot of bleach, so I'm hoping it doesn't come out bad. Oh my god. Wait, this actually came out so cool. Bleaching things is super fun. The only problem was that the shorts did not come out good because they were 100% recycled polyester material. And I guess it has to be cotton or just not 100% recycled polyester material. But the sweater came out insane. The shorts literally did not bleach. So easiest thing ever. All I had to do was finish the bleaching process, and then I rinsed it off. I stuck it in the washer to really get all the bleach out, dried it, and here we are. Okay, I don't want to sound super lame, but I was Snapchatting one of my guy friends and he was like, "Are you wearing Vlone?" I'm like, no, I made this. But let me know any other trends you guys have that you want me to try out so you don't end up wasting your time and I can try it out for you. And yeah, well, I had such a great time doing this. I think this came out super cool. I'm definitely gonna be bleaching and tie-dyeing so many more things. Make sure to send me your pictures when you guys try. My Instagram at Leah Romano with 2 A's. So I wanna see what you guys are bleaching, tie-dyeing, and see how they come out, and let's compare a little. Give me some tips, I'll give you some tips. I hope you guys liked my video. Hope you guys have fun in the tie-dye process. Make sure to like and subscribe, please, and click that little bell button so you get notifications every time I post a video. Thanks guys, love you, bye!